unboxing and a partial review of the new Helix 5 G2 from Hummingbird that I bought. So the cool thing about this fish finder is it comes with chirp, down imaging, and GPS, which is not only does it just come with your regular 2D sonar, but it also comes with the down imaging, which is almost well, it's just hands down better for seeing fish than the regular sonar. If you look over on the back of the box, I think the prime feature of this is that it comes with GPS, and it also comes with Auto Chart Live, which is what Auto Chart Live is it basically gives you the ability to push record on your sonar, and it records a topographic map for you. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and open this thing. As you can see, when you first open it, it comes with the egg crate. All we're going to do is just slide it out. And as you can see, at the top it comes with your Navionics packet, and then some product stuff, and then other cool instruction manuals. And it comes with your Navionics card, which is this is important because it comes with pre-downloaded maps of your lake or river. And it gives you the ability just to pull up that map from your GPS on your unit. Next up, we just got some mounts, power wire, and actually the sonar. When the sonar, I realized that it didn't come wrapped up, which I don't like as much, but it's packaged pretty neatly. Lastly, we got the actual mount for the unit itself on the left side, and then finally on the right side we got the unit. Now, this is the Helix 5, so it's a 5-inch screen. As you can see in the bottom, it has your chirp. It has your mark buttons, your menu buttons, your viewing buttons. On the left side is where your SD card will go, or your Navionics card. And I think on the right side, or it might be the left side, is where you can actually put your own SD card. Well, the first packet comes with nothing but installation manuals for your down imaging, your head control, and some more stuff about the product. It comes with the operation summary guide. It helps you read it, operate it, and what buttons you're going to use. And this is just a Navionics kind of little pamphlet thing that tells you a lot about the logging and updating of like fresher data to your fishing sonar charts. The last thing I want to talk about for this the Helix 5 is this Navionics card you get, which is a $200 saving. But when you open the packet, you're going to get this thing that says register now, and basically it just tells you how to register it. And then once you register it, you can see that it's already preloaded to the Noctilo chart. But once you download it, you can get the sonar chart, which is, as you can see, has a lot more detail and contour. And then the community edit, which actually, with the help of other fishermen that do the same thing, you can download that as well with the card. And it comes with some just words, pretty much, and then the card itself. So overall, I can't complain. This unit looks really, really nice. Looks really, really well built. Has a lot of features from what it looks like, and it seems like it's going to take me a while to learn how to use these features. So I will be doing an actual full-on review once I learn how to use this fish finder better. But as of right now, the unboxing of this fish finder, it's you get a lot what you pay for. I would highly recommend it as of now. I have a lot of familiar past, I should say, with Hummingbird products, and I cannot complain. But overall, yeah, thanks guys, and hope you enjoyed the unboxing review.